How to change TikTok nickname. To get started, you first need to open the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to this homepage, where you can view all the contents that are shared on TikTok. From this page, you need to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you are in the profile page, you need to tap on the Edit Profile option. Once you are in, tap on the Name section over here. Here it says, your nickname can only be changed once every 7 days. Type your new nickname over here and tap on the Save button at the top right corner. Now hit the Confirm button from the pop-up. Once you are done, go back to your profile page. Here you can see your nickname has been changed. So by following these simple steps, you can easily change TikTok nickname.